Why is my blood sugars in the mornings always higher when I get out of bed? I'm gonna tell you right after this intro. Why could your blood sugars be high after you get out of bed in the mornings? Maybe you go to bed, you check your blood sugars, they're great. You wake up in the morning, you do like I do and what I've done in the past. You check your blood sugars, then you get out of bed, get ready for the day, and realize your blood sugars have went up to like maybe 150, maybe 200, maybe even more. You may be dealing with a thing called the dawn phenomenon. What's the dawn phenomenon? Well, you go to bed at night, you fast for 6, 7, 8 hours, depending on how long you sleep. In the middle of the night, between 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock in the morning, your body will put off hormones, cortisol, epinephrine, put off glucagon, and growth hormones. And so basically what it does, it's trying to counteract your blood sugars going low, and it spikes early in the morning. That is what is called the dawn phenomenon. I've dealt with dawn phenomenon for a while, on and off, still to this day. My blood sugars will still rise up in the mornings, but they don't go as high as they used to because obviously I got my blood sugars under control. Maybe today you're dealing with these numbers elevating in the mornings, and I just wanted to bring it to your attention that this could be the dawn phenomenon. So I encourage you to do more research on it. Maybe go see your doctor. You can tell them, I think I'm experiencing dawn phenomenons in the mornings. And one thing you could do, I don't know exactly if it's going to work because it depends on the person, but you could move your medications earlier in the evening, before you go to bed, farther away, like earlier in the night instead of right before you go to bed. Just some thoughts and options. So anyways, guys, I hope this has helped you. If it has, if you can hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to be a part of this community. I like to help out, share the thoughts and info that I've learned along the way. And this is a community that we help each other with diabetes and different things. So I would love to have you a part of this community. And if you want to be up to date with all these videos I'm putting out, I'm posting lots of videos, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video like this. So guys, thanks so much for staying to the end and watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one.